Today, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing presentation design right inside Canva. First, go to Canva and click on Video. Choose the video resolution you want. Now, head over to Elements. Type in quarter circle. Pick the shape and start building a full circle. Select all the parts, shrink them a little, and place the circle right in the middle. Next, upload your images. Drag the first one inside the frame. Double-click, rotate it, and adjust until it looks perfect. Select everything again, rotate 90 degrees. And drop in your second image. Double-click, rotate, adjust. Do the same for the third image and again for the fourth. Now you've got a clean 4-part circle. Add a white circle in the middle. Position it to center. Download as PNG. Upload it back to Canva. Delete all the old elements and drag in the new image. Resize it. And remove the background. Add a little glow. Go to Shadows. Choose Glow. Set the size to 5. Intensity to 200 and expand it a little. This gives the whole circle a nice shine. Next, let's make the images pop. Click on the first one, go to Edit, add a little blur, about 50. Send it to the back. Do the same with each image. Blur them slightly and arrange them in order. Now, time for text. Add a new page, go to Elements, search for Gradient Shadow, pick one, resize it, and type your text. Change the font to something bold and clean. Make it white. Add a shadow. And group everything together. Copy the text. And paste it back on your first page. Do the same for the rest of your slides. Placing each text where it belongs. Once all the text is ready, we'll make it animated. Keep the first image fully visible, make the rest transparent. Then duplicate the page, bring in the second text, rotate the circle, fade in the second image, duplicate again, rotate again, third text comes in, third image fades, and one more time for the last text and image. Finally, add smooth transitions between slides. Choose Match and Move, set the timing to around 3 seconds, and apply to all pages, and that's it. You've just created a professional animated presentation with nothing but Canva. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, because I've got even more Canva tricks coming soon.